Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most awaited cameras of the year, the Nikon Z8 Mark II. This beast takes mirrorless photography to the next level with incredible power, unmatched speed, and stunning image quality. Let's explore what makes this camera a true game changer for professionals and creators alike. Powerful sensor and processor. The Nikon Z8 II features a next-generation 45.7 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor paired with the Xpeed 7 dual processor. Together, they deliver ultra-fast performance, sharper details, and breathtaking dynamic range, perfect for both photos and 8K videos. 2. Blazing fast autofocus. Equipped with Nikon's advanced subject detection AI, the autofocus system can instantly lock onto eyes, animals, vehicles, and even aircraft, ensuring you never miss a shot, no matter the action. 3. 8K and 4K video recording. This camera is a filmmaker's dream. Record cinematic 8K video at 60 fps or smooth 4000 at up to 12 fps, all with 10-bit analog and ProRes RAW support. Whether it's short films, documentaries, or YouTube content, the Z8 II handles it all with ease. 4. Improved stabilization. Thanks to the 6-stop in-body image stabilization, handheld shooting is smoother than ever. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to professional-level stability. 5. Durable, weather-sealed design. The Z8 II features a strong magnesium alloy body that's dust and weather-resistant, ready to handle any shooting condition, from studio to outdoor adventures. 6. Dual card slots and long battery life. With dual Express Type B and SD card slots, plus a longer-lasting NEL15C battery, you can shoot longer, store more, and never worrying about running out of space or power. 7. Advanced connectivity. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C make transferring files or live streaming seamless, ideal for on-the-go creators. The Nikon Z8 II is built for creators who want it all: unmatched image quality, professional-grade video, and lightning-fast performance in one compact body. Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, or content creator, this camera will elevate your work to the next level. There is no official release date for the Nikon Z8 II, but rumors and expert speculation suggest it is unlikely to be released before 2026. Some analysts predict it could be announced in late 2025, with availability in early 2026. Other sources indicate the Z8 II may not be released for several years, with Nikon likely prioritizing a Z9 successor. So that's everything about the Nikon Z8 Mark II, a true hybrid powerhouse redefining the mirrorless world. What do you think about this new release? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech updates and camera reviews. See you in the next video.